news is the #1 predictor of stock moves. So I made an extremely powerful upgrade to my real-time stock scanner. There is now a section that will show us stocks which contain relevant news, thus increasing the likelihood of bullish continuation. Watch this clip from a recent live stream to help prove the importance of news. WNW announces strategic AI insights. Okay, so it's AI news, which is the key word right now. Remember, we had the conversation about buzzwords in news earlier, and right now AI is that buzzword. So that clip happened 8 minutes after market open. You saw ticker WNW first hit the scanner at $2.69. From there, ended up making over a 400+% move up. After we were able to identify the news and the AI buzzword within it live and in real time. So if you can't tell, right now in the current state of the market, the buzzword is AI. So what this section of the scanner is doing is it will make any stock that appears with AI in the news headline immediately as soon as it is announced. You can see here at 9:20, that is the time that WNW announced their press release, AI Insights Initiative to Support Functional Skincare, blah, blah, blah. AI in the news headline out at 9:20, shows up live and in real time immediately now in this section of the scanner. If I only offered you this section of the scanner and I told you you had to pay $45 for it, you should be running to access this. That is an insane potential return on investment, being able to see live buzzword news appear like that. But of course, that's not all you get access to. You also get access to the Moving Now scanner, which will show you all the stocks that are making strong bullish moves up at this very second. You also get the top 20 gainers today list, which you can sort by float and you can filter by max price and float. You also get to see which of those stocks off of this list have most recently hit highs, along with audio alerts like you just heard. You also get the small cap gauge so that you can visualize the current market condition. You also get access to the market replay tool so that you can go back and look at how the scanner was performing at any past date and time. And you also get access to all news that is tied to a specific ticker, once again, updating live and in real time. It is the perfect one-stop shop for really everything you need to become a better day trader. And you can access all of this from my website, daytradingstrategies.net. Click on this green button to choose your plan. For $45 a month, not only do you get access to everything I just described on the real-time stock scanner, you also get access to 150 plus custom trading codes available to download. Insane value. And you can get it for even cheaper, $33 a month if you go with the annual plan. Also comes with the codes. And if that is still not enough value, with the annual plan, you also get lifetime access to the official daytradingstrategies.net Discord server. This Discord server currently consists of over 2,000 members. A lot of people that have signed up for the annual plan, a lot of people that are in there talking about their trading, a great place to be in a community of like-minded traders. If all of that is still not enough value for you, then feel free at checkout to use discount code SAVE30 on the annual plan to take 30% off. Now it's 12 months of the real-time stock scanner, 12 months of the custom codes, lifetime access to the 2,000 plus member trader Discord for less than $280. Just absolutely insane value. If you're a beginner day trader, you seriously have to consider that. It's ridiculous. Anyway, daytradingstrategies.net is my website where you can access it, and it is linked at the top of the description down below this video. Let's pick another random date just to continue to prove that this works. Let's go with March 19th, and we have to go back into pre-market. I will mention that this scanner only exists during both pre-market and after hours. During market open, it replaces itself with the normal volatility up scanner. Extended hours are almost exclusively, 99% of the time, when companies announce news anyway, so it's the best time to make use of that space. We can see here, this is just from a couple of days ago, ticker CHNR at 7:15 announced a news headline with AI in the title. Let's go back to our charts here. Let's look at ticker CHNR. This would have been on the 19th, which I assume is this day here. Yes, and once again, you would have been made aware of that news. Now, the second that it appeared, as soon as this stock started moving, you would have been made aware. It made a 50% move in a minute and a half after the news, ends up making a 64+% move all the way up to the top. I just want to show you this too to help clear up any confusion. As you can see, it's now 9:29 and 30 seconds. I'm going 10x speed. You'll notice, boom, right at market open, this buzzword scanner goes away and it comes back to the volatility halts section. Of course, there are no volatility halts during extended hours trading. That is why I made this upgrade. That was always kind of wasted space before. But once the markets are open, once again, news is very, very unlikely to be announced during market open. 99% of the time, it comes during extended hours trading. So I want to come back to a more useful volatility up halt section once we hit market open. Now, there are over 5,000 of you that have already signed up to access this scanner. First off, thank you. Second off, you may notice that this buzzword section of the scanner is not the only upgrade that I have made over the weekend. Now, on the Moving Now scanner as well, when a stock appears on this list for the very first time on the day, you also get this new icon. This is very, very helpful because it lets you know, hey, you're at the very beginning of this move. It is just starting to move now. Also, when you get a new stock, hopefully it just did it, when you get a stock that was perfect timing, when you get a stock that hits this new, you also get a little ding audio alert. So if you're off looking at your charts, doing whatever you're doing, and you hear that audio alert, you know, okay, there is a new stock beginning to make a move right now. Two other upgrades that I made to the scanner that you can't see, but actually might be the most powerful part. So on my Moving Now scanner, there is a volume requirement that the stock must have traded at least 100,000 shares in the last 60 seconds. Because who cares about seeing stocks that are going up hard if they're not tradable, right? It becomes a waste of time for you. It distracts you from real moves. It clogs up your list, so you end up missing stuff. Well, I've made two changes to that. Now, there goes ACXP, got both the readout and the ding. I'm going to mute these for now. Calma. Okay, I'm going to mute those for now. Where was I? Oh, now, if a stock has news or recently announced news, should I say, in the last 2 minutes, it recently announced a PR, then that Moving Now volume requirement goes all the way from 100,000 in 60 seconds down to 15,000 in 60 seconds. That way, as soon as the stock announces news, you can be alerted on it immediately rather than having to sort of wait the, maybe 10, 15 seconds it would take for that move to hit 100,000 shares of volume. 15,000 is a nice sweet spot. It keeps sort of a lot of the and all of the irrelevant news off of the list, like stocks that get news that get no reaction. I mean, that happens all the time, but it also gets you in way faster than having to wait for the 100,000. Also, out of market open for the first 60 seconds. So from 9:30 Eastern to 9:31 Eastern, I also lower the volume requirement on the Moving Now down to 15,000 shares in that 60 seconds. That way, right out of market open, you're seeing the stocks that are moving immediately. You don't have to wait sort of that 15, 20 second period for a stock to hit 100,000 shares of volume before it appears on the list. So I'm doing everything I can, if you don't notice, to get you into the most relevant moves as fast as possible. That is what I am setting this scanner up for, because there's a big difference in either one of those. First off, if you don't go for relevancy, you just literally show anything that's moving. A lot of scanners will do that you'll go look at. Once again, you just get caught up in an ugly list of untradeable stocks. I want to make sure the moves are tradable and pertinent, but also I want to make sure that, they are actually giving real powerful moves or on some real powerful news as well. And while talking about relevancy and news, I want to talk about this ticker ANVS. If I pull up its live news, you can actually see that on March 19th, this was the last trading day, it announced AI-related news. Neuro RPM to deploy AI-enabled digital biomarker, blah, blah, blah. So that is relevant keyword news, right? But this is the stock on that morning. Look, nobody cared. Right? Like nobody cared that they announced that news. The market did not react at all. So why would you care? Why would you want to be made aware of this when nothing is happening? Once again, it would just clutter up your charts and work to confuse you. So coming back into my scanner's market replay functionality, you can see we are now on that date. We are on March 19th, 4 minutes before market open. You'll notice that stock doesn't appear here in the list. I'm trying to keep this list once again relevant, so I put a very small volume requirement on it. Nothing big at all, once again, because I want there to be minimal to no delay to the stock popping up. But the only volume requirement, the stock must have news with AI in the headline, of course, and then within 5 minutes, either before or after that news was announced, the stock must have traded at least 5,000 shares of volume. There must be some form of life going on in the ticker. And that actually removes a lot of stocks. Like before I put that filter into the scanner when I was working on the code, this was just a huge list of stocks that weren't moving at all, that looked just like that last example no one cared about. So I needed to find a way to make it relevant. I found 5,000 shares of volume to be a sweet spot. So now you are seeing both stocks with relevant buzzword news that are actually getting some sort of reaction to said news. Let's also mention this. Right now, the relevant buzzword is AI. That won't always be true. Buzzwords and news are cyclical. They come and they go. I mean, I've traded now for over 10 years. I watched it be Tesla or anything in the EV space. I've watched it multiple times be crypto or Bitcoin or anything like that, etc., etc. I watch the market every single day. I follow the news. I keep up with the buzzwords. You may, first off, just maybe not have been trading as long as me, so you don't have the experience, or two, might just not have time to keep up with the market every single day to track those buzzwords. So I will be updating that buzzword when I feel it is necessary. If another more important buzzword comes along that is moving stocks more, I will change the requirement. So now, basically with this scanner, when you sign up to the scanner, you now always are sort of keeping up with what is hot in the news as well, without actually having to do that research yourself. So when a stock hits this buzzword news section of the scanner, does that mean that it is always going to go up? Trey said this is the current hot relevant buzzword and the stock has volume. So no, guys, of course not. There are going to be times where stocks pop up on this list, you look to trade them and you're going to lose money. It's still going to happen. There's no such thing as building a tool that will always be right or that can tell you what stock is going to go up. That's not the point of my scanner. My scanner is to, once again, put you onto relevant moves as fast as I can. It's not to predict which moves are going to go up 100% or whatever. Unfortunately, I don't have the resources to build a time machine, and if I did, I would charge you a lot more than $45 a month for it. So please, don't just think that because a stock is on that scanner, it's definitely going to go up. Once again, it's just relevant, current, hot buzzword news, which does help to stack the odds in your favor. That is your goal as a day trader, to stack your winning percentage as high as possible, understanding that it never, ever, ever, no matter what you do, no matter what tool you sign up for, no matter who you pay, will never be 100%. You will still take losses trading stocks off this scanner. I promise you that. If you guys enjoyed that live stream clip from earlier, I am live right here on this very YouTube channel every single Monday and Friday morning, starting 1 hour before market open. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and those of you that are already subscribed, make sure that little bell icon next to the subscribe button is clicked. That way you get notified when I go live so that you don't miss those live streams. Come hang out. If you have questions you want to ask me, feel free. If you want to watch the scanner working live and in real time, that is the best free way to do it. So once again, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on Monday and Friday mornings. And remember, if you want your own personal unlimited access to this real-time stock scanner and the trading codes and the lifetime access to the Discord, go get signed up on my website, daytradingstrategies.net. Today, you can even take 30% off with discount code SAVE30. I believe that makes it like just over $24 a month you get access to this tool. It's just ridiculous value. I spend over $66,000 a year on both the real-time price action. It updates every 200 milliseconds, faster than you can blink your eye. And now, of course, my live real-time news. And you can access it for less than just over $24 a month. A ridiculous value. I don't know how else to explain it. If you can't see the value, I don't really know what else I can tell you. Anyway, daytradingstrategies.net, linked at the top of the description down below. Go sign up today and become a better trader immediately.